Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 15th of May. We are glad to present our weekly analytical review for major Forex instruments. Last week, the EUR-USD pair was corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands to the area of 1.0840 and began to grow. At the moment, the key level for the bulls seems to be the level of 1.0960, which coincides with the Fibonacci correction of 50%. In case of breakout of which, the upward movement can continue to the levels of 1.1040 and 1.11. Otherwise, with the breakdown of the level of 1.09, the pair may fall to the levels of 1.0825 and 1.0730. As for the fundamental statistics, traders should pay attention to US April industrial production data and the Eurozone's ZEW survey, and also to the GDP index for the first quarter of 2017 in Eurozone. Technical indicators confirm the possibility of the upward movement. Bollinger Bands and Stochastic are directed upwards. MACD histogram is stable in the positive zone. In general, further growth is possible in case of the breakout of the level of 1.0960. Last week, the GBP-USD pair traded within the range of 1.30–1.2885. In case of the breakout of the upper border of the channel, the levels of 1.31 and 1.3150 will become targets for the price. In case of the breakdown of the lower border, the targets will be at 1.2790 and 1.2720. However, as the market is waiting for the parliament elections in the UK, the price can continue moving in the set range. As for the fundamental data, the traders should pay attention to the April Consumer Price Index and retail sales data from the UK. At the moment, technical indicators show the possibility of the fall. MACD histogram is going down in the positive zone, Stochastic is directed downwards. New positions should be opened after the breakout of the key levels. The USD JPY pair left the downward channel last week, but at the moment is falling, trying to return into the channel. The key level for the bear seems to be 112.90. In case of breakdown of this level, the price can decrease to the levels of 111.85 and 111.20. The key level for the bulls is 113.85. The breakout of which will push the pair up to the levels of 115 and 115.85. As for the fundamental publications, the market is waiting for the Japanese March industrial production data and the GDP of the first quarter of the current year. Technical indicators show controversial signals. Bollinger Bands reversed upwards, MACD histogram is growing in the positive zone, Stochastic left the overbought zone. In general, the pair has the potential to go down, but if the price consolidates above the level of 113.85, the upward trend may develop. Last week, the Australian dollar versus American one dropped down to the level of 0.7330, but now it is being corrected to the Fibonacci corrections cluster at 0.7440. In case of the breakout and the consolidation of the price above the middle line of Bollinger Bands, the further reversal towards the levels of 0.7520, 0.7560 and 0.76 is possible. Otherwise, the price can return to the levels of 0.7380, 0.7330 and 0.73. Technical indicators confirm the upward trend. MACD histogram is decreasing in the negative zone, Stochastic is directed upwards. Further growth would be possible in case of the breakout of the level of 0.7440. Last week, gold prices bounced from the level of 1220, which coincides with the Fibonacci correction of 38.2%, and grew to the level of 1234. The breakout of which can allow further growth to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1248. The indicators confirm this scenario. MACD histogram is lowering in the negative zone, Stochastic is directed upwards. In case of the breakdown of the level of 1220, the price can go down to the levels of 1210 and 1194.80, but it seems less possible. In general, the growth of the price in case of breakout of the level 1234 is possible. That's all for today. Good luck with your trading.